In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see yourself when you talk on Zoom for Windows. If you want your own video tile to become highlighted or appear as the active speaker when you're talking in a Zoom meeting, this is a simple setting you can turn on inside the Zoom Workplace app. It only takes a moment to set up, and once it's enabled, Zoom will show your video as the active speaker on your screen whenever you begin speaking. To get started, open the Zoom Workplace app on your Windows computer. Once the app is open, sign in to your Zoom account if you haven't already. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the Zoom window and click your profile picture. This will open your account menu where you'll find several options related to your Zoom preferences. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the main settings window for Zoom. Inside Settings, click on General. The General section includes a variety of app-wide options, so you may need to scroll a little to find the one you need. Keep scrolling until you reach the My Video section. In this area, look for the option called Show Me as an active speaker when I talk. This is the setting that controls whether your own video will switch into the active speaker view when Zoom detects your voice. Once you find it, turn that setting on. After enabling it, you can close the settings window. The change should apply right away, so there's no need to restart the app. Next, join or start a Zoom meeting to test it. When you begin speaking during the meeting, your video should appear as the active speaker on your screen. This can be helpful if you want a clearer sense of how you're being presented in the meeting, especially during presentations, team calls, or recorded sessions. If you don't notice the change immediately, make sure your microphone is working properly and that Zoom is detecting your voice. In some cases, speaking a little more clearly or a little louder during your test can help confirm that the feature is working as expected. That's all it takes to enable this option in Zoom for Windows. Once the setting is on, you'll be able to see yourself as the active speaker whenever you talk in a meeting.